Grabe itong mga magnanakaw na ito. Pumasok lang ito dito, masampal ko eh. Pero ang tatapang ng mga loob, as you will see later.
Diretso na tayo. Sino ang kasabot doon sa Public Works, itong tatlong construction firms na ito?
Your Honor, to be frank, we have not identified.
Hindi mo ginagawa ang trabaho mo. Senator Lacson, please interrogate so that we can find out who was this person who allegedly gave 70 billion or received 70 billion in connection with this.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
No, you are not recognized. Mr. De Luna, sinong nakikilala mo doon sa Public Works? Nakikilala mo lang para inosente lang na magtatanong.
Dahil dyan po ako nagninegosyo, halos lahat po sila kakilala ko. Individual po lahat, halos kilala po namin.
Alright, you are all stonewalling me. I am 63 years old. I was born 1945. I was not born yesterday. And I was RTC judge and awarded some of the highest awards for work in the judiciary. So siguro hindi naman ako napakagaga na sasabihin nyo sa akin, lahat yan kakilala ko. May mga kausap kayo doon eh. Pinagtatakpan ninyo. Shut up! That's why I lost my temper, Mr. Chairman. Public Estates Authority is worlds apart from Phil Invest or whatever it is that he was mouthing. It implies that I was a member of the board of directors of a private company. I have never been so. Be careful with what you say to this committee.
I stand corrected.
You should be. Mr. Chairman, I most humbly request for this committee to consider this witness in contempt of court for deliberately misleading this committee and for particularly denigrating my integrity and my moral character.
That is a problem with this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. That's why it is difficult to win in any international election, in any international campaign, because the Philippines, among others, has a reputation of being a corrupt country. Isip ng iba, kung corrupt ang bayan na yan, walang matinong lalabas dyan. Walang matinong ibubunga yan. Bawat isa ba sa inyo, walang sala tungkol sa SALN? Hindi lang sila ma-impeach. Ulit, bibigyan ka ng mamahaling proyekto sa Public Works na kung saan maaaring kumita ka. Alam naman natin yan. Kung magkano ang halaga ng Public Works mo, 10% punta sa iyo kung gusto mo. Hindi iyon ang ibig sabihin na politika. At hindi ibig sabihin na quasi-political na isipin mo, nako, tatakbo ako. Either for re-election or for another position, or I need some position in government for my kalyado ko, who I will use as my dummy. That is not the meaning of quasi-political.
I request the lady to wind up this.
I thought that I was unlimited. I prepared a 2-minute paper, but I will obey the injunction. Bumalik ako, sabi ng tatay ko, mag-resign ka nga dyan sa trabaho mong yan. Wala kang silbi sa bayan mo. Magsilbi ka sa sarili mong kababayan. Nagsilbing na nga ako. Pero kung ang politika ay mangingibabaw sa batas, wala na rin akong silbi. Bayan, kayo ang maghatol sa ginagawa dito sa impeachment trial.
Why is this country so poor? Why is life so hard? The reason is plain and simple. And that reason is because politics in this country is so corrupt.